Most people dream of passive income, but what if I told you the way they go about it is completely wrong? In this video, I'll break down 5 common mistakes people make when trying to build passive income and how you can avoid them. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could literally save you months of wasted effort. Welcome to Hidden Finance, where we turn smart money moves into real results. Let's get started. The number 1 mistake? Trying to build 5 passive income streams at once. It sounds smart, more streams, more money, right? Wrong. In reality, spreading yourself too thin leads to burnout and zero results. Start with one stream. Master it. Then scale or diversify later. The second mistake? Expecting passive income to start working overnight. The truth is, most passive streams require consistent effort in the beginning. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, and only later do you enjoy the shade. Patience is part of the plan. Third. This one's big. Trying to sell or earn online with no audience. Whether it's digital products, affiliate links, or a YouTube channel. No traffic equals no income. Start building your audience early, even if it's just a small email list or a consistent content schedule. Fourth, here's a silent income killer. Not reinvesting your early profits. That $50 you made? Use it to upgrade your tools, improve your content, or run ads. Too many people cash out early instead of compounding their growth. Think long-term. And finally, choosing a model that doesn't fit you. Some people jump into dropshipping or stock trading just because it's trending. But if it doesn't match your strengths or time, you'll struggle. Pick a stream that fits you, your skills, your budget, and your patience. Here's a bonus most people ignore. You can't build passive income just by watching videos. At some point, you have to stop learning and start doing. Action beats theory every time. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can save you months, even years of wasted time. So tell me, what's your passive income goal for this year? Drop it in the comments. And subscribe to Hidden Finance for weekly videos that help you build real, lasting income the smart way.